Hey everybody, Chris again here at Ujoint Offroad. Here's our latest build. It's actually been done for a week or two. We just added the rear bumper this week, and it's headed home tomorrow, back to Texas. So this is a 2010 E350 5.4. It's got our 6-inch lift on 35-inch Toyo AT3s. One with a simple Pro Comp 69 series wheel, single Fox 2.0. It's got our stage 2 front axle with the RSC upgrade, 456 gears, Detroit True Track, serviceable wheel bearings, 35 spline stub shafts, all the stuff that comes with that RSC upgrade, and the progressive springs. Up front, stock bumper, front frame support, nothing special there. It's got a 4R75 transmission. We took that out, had it rebuilt and converted to 4-wheel drive. Out back, it's got the stock semi-float Dana 60. We did re-gear it to 456 and add an aux locker. In the rear, we've got our rear bumper that we build here in-house. Check them out on the website if you haven't already. Dual swings. It's a steel and aluminum hybrid construction. It worked out really well. We've been selling them like crazy. Quicker than we can build them. That's basically it. Pretty simple build on this guy. I think the customer's got some more plans for the future. Do some interior upgrades, etc. And I hope he enjoys it. If you don't follow us on Instagram or Facebook, please do. I post daily shop updates of what's going on in the shop on Instagram. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the support as always, and have a great day. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email, chris@ujointoffroad.com. If you need pricing, check out the website or email me. Thanks a lot.